Hey, what's up everybody? Just out here, gonna make another video. Using the Gojira. Cheers from Pendragon. Dragon works. And the Yeti. Alright, well, let's get to it. Bring this a little closer. So, hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna work on this cutting board here. Working on the setups for the DeWalt hand router and different bits you can use, you want to use, and then the depth gauge router bit depth gauge. It's a mouthful for me. But anyways, we're gonna work on this cutting board here that I got commissioned out. So this in laser engraving. So check that out. Sick. But anyway, so well, the first thing you want to do is disconnect your router. Use the provided wrench it came with. If not, it's a 17. Hopefully, maybe I should go a little bit closer, huh? Just like I'm already feeling it. Anywho, I usually go for my profile bit. Very pointed. I want to say it's like a 90 degree bit. So right there, I need to buy another one. I think that's what I said in the other video, but maybe at the end of today I can get one. But just gonna have a little stopper here. Read your guys' manuals. Hand tight. You don't want to crank it too much. I heard from other fellow YouTubers that you don't want to super hand crank this, just hand tight enough. So also another little adapter, cool adapter from fellow YouTuber, make a wood sign. I'll make sure to tag them in this video. But it's like the best combo. I'm only gonna go eighth. What? Just cause I'm comfortable with it. If you're starting off, I suggest you go a 16th and then work your way up. It also depends on your material as well. How thick your material is. Gnats, not mosquitoes. But it's almost mosquito season. If not, it's already here. Yeah, 16th. You're ready to go. And I'm gonna cut to me working on it. Hopefully I can edit. It's like cool song or something. That'd be cool. But yeah. Well, I'll show you guys the next little scene how I'm gonna do it. So it's pretty much all my secrets, cheater secrets. Trinkets.